Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is an invitation to anyone that would like to participate with any type of doll in the Dolls Gone Goth GHOUL dolls. And what is a GHOUL doll? Well, you come up with that interpretation yourself. Any doll that you would like to show that has that offbeat, that edge to it, we would love to see it. But here's the thing. Remember that this month it'll be on the 13th, not the 16th, the 13th, because it'll be Friday the 13th. Dolls UK and I do the Dolls Gone Goth every month. But this month, Jay had something come up, so she won't be joining us today. But hopefully she'll be back with us on the 13th, and if not, that's okay. We're going to show our dolls in her honor. Thank you so much for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.